Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth shortcut under the category tips and tricks. So today I'm going to discuss one of the shortcuts related with the triangles. Now what is that here? It says if A, B and C are integers and represents the sides of a triangle such that A is less than equal to B and B is less than equal to C, which means basically that C is the largest side, then the number of different triangles that can be formed for a given value of the largest side, which is C, is this one. It depends whether C is an odd or even, and then I can use these formulas here. Let's see how to use this particular formula here. All right. Now, now if I there is a triangle, and if I say one of the largest side of this triangle, it is equal to nothing but that is 3. Okay. All right. So largest side is equal to 3, I can say. So other two sides are if less than or equal to these three here, or they are given in this particular order, what are the different triangles can be formed? So I can say the different triangles can be like 3, 3 and 2. All right. Then I can say that is 3, 2 and 2. And then I can also form a triangle like 3, 3 and 1. And one more possibility is when all the three sides are equal, 3, 3 and 3. So a total of 4 triangles can be formed where all the sides are integer. Okay, which is nothing but I can say the formula, if I apply the formula, it will be comes out to be 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. And 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to nothing but 4 by 2, 4 by 2 whole square, which is equal to 2 square, and which in turns is 4 here. Similarly, if I say, let's say the value of C, it is equal to 4. Okay, then how many triangles can be formed if one of the largest side is 4? Let's start making a case. The one of the triangle is, I can say 4, 4, 4, all the three sides are 4. Or if two sides are 4, then I can say 4, 4 and 3. All right. If one side is 4, then I can form 4, 3, 3. Then another possibility is equal to 4, 3, 2. All right. Next possibility will be equal to 4, 4, 1 also. All right. One more possibility is there, that is 4, 4, 2. So in all, you can see it here, there are total of 6 cases are there. There are 6 triangles are there. Now, if I use the formula, I need to use the second formula. If it is even, C is 4. So 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. So that is 5 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 whole square is nothing but that is 25 by 4 minus 1 by 4. And 25 by 4 minus 1 by 4, that will be comes out to be equal to 6. And this is the answer. So I hope that it is clear. That's all for today. And if you want to keep yourself updated with all these shortcuts, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you can also join our Telegram channel, as well as join the Facebook group. So all these videos, you'll keep getting the notification with all the latest videos and all the possible shortcuts here. Thank you.